Let us come to an agreement, and I always try to make my relationship with you a relationship of you win and I win. This means that you benefit and I benefit. You benefit from the fact that I offer you free sites for making money, and I benefit by following you to the channel. I will not create content without you or you. You will be able to earn or learn to earn money online, except in terms of content, we two complement each other. That's why, if you notice, I've been trying for a while to provide you with free profit explanations that don't need capital from you, but that you focus and try to work, whether it's an easy website and easy free profit, or it's a strategy, work, jobs, etc. And this is what it is clear to you. And you will even notice that the number of videos is less or less edited on the channel, and this is because I search for the site and work on the site and try the site before I go out. I tell you so that I can guarantee and be sure that when I present this site to you, you will benefit from it and make profits from it, and this is clear to everyone, and you see it for yourself on the channel. And as proof of the reason for this talk, today's episode and the next episode, God willing, we will talk about them on very easy sites. When we conducted an opinion poll on the second channel, and I told you, you like easy sites and no job sites, there are people who chose this and people chose that, so we must. We satisfy these people and we satisfy these people. Today, just as we are satisfied with the people who want strategies, work and jobs, today we will satisfy the people who want profitable, easy and free sites that do not require your effort. They do not need your efforts. They do not need your skills. 1 + 1 = 2. This is what we, God willing, will learn. In today's episode, or we will work on it in today's episode, all that is required of you is your computer or mobile phone, and you focus with me on the video from beginning to end to know how to register, how to work on the site, and how to withdraw your profits. If you miss a minute, you will find many things, especially on today's site. Many things will not reach you and you will not be able to understand them, and they are all 5 minutes long, and you will find yourself bored and leaving the site. However, if you are patient with me, these minutes in the video will show you how many minutes in the video you will find on the site. It works for you every day for no less than $2 or $3. It can get you $5 or $6 for you and your job, which you see, this is a small profit. He goes and watches something that will bring him a lot of profit. It is more than that, and it is easier than what we say. You see an average profit and a good profit, and you can work on it and work with a good brain and get more profit. So focus with me to understand and to occupy your destruction, and then you do not earn 5 or 6. You are earning for yourself. $10, $11, but you will spend your money with me, Villa between us, so that it does not take long for you and say that we are getting too long in the episode. We want to go at length in the explanation. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you will subscribe to the channel and activate the bell button on everyone so that you will receive notifications of all new videos. I am here on the channel provides you with free explanations for making money from the internet. So I ask you to please subscribe to the channel to support us, and do not forget to like the video. Welcome guys. Of course, you will find the website link in the video description. The first time you click on the website link, the main page of the website will open in front of you in this way right now while we are talking. With you, in the video, 70,000 students and 81 are working on the site, including 2,301 online currently, and 70,000 are working. In order to register on the site, you will click on sign up, and this page will open with you. Here you write your email, here is the password, and here you also solve the CAPTCHA, which is I am, not a reboot. You solve it in this way? Fine. After that, you click on sign up. You may receive a message on your email through which you activate your account to make sure that your account is activated. So you go back and look at your email. Oh, I forgot to tell you that today's site is reliable. Today's site is withdrawn from it. Without any conditions. You do not need any conditions in order to withdraw from the site, completely free. There are cases or otherwise, I withdraw from the site directly. First, when you log into the site, after you activate the account, the main page opens in front of you in this way. Of course, as you can see, I currently have a balance of 99 Satoshi, and I also have less than half a ruble because I worked on Satoshi, the most of which is Bitcoin. Here I have the beginning of the profit or the announcement of profits. Here, if you would like to promote your page or website through the site, we have nothing to do with this topic. We will work on profit from the internet first. Something I have here is called earn, or the beginning of profit. How will I earn from the site? Of course, the first is that the site here has a page on Twitter. If you have a Twitter account and would like to follow the site, here is the current price of Bitcoin. Okay, how do I work on the site, or how will I earn from the site? Click on earn and then I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways to earn from the site, and there is also a 7 method. I will tell you after we finish the 6 countries. Okay, how do I earn from the 6 countries? The first thing I have is the server ads. Step on it. This will open the server ads with me. You want to earn via Satoshi currency. Satoshi or through the currency of the Russian ruble. You stay in the Satoshi currency because it is linked to Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going up and down, going up and down. It is expected that it will go up a lot in the coming period. So stay in the Satoshi currency and you will still have Bitcoin. Okay, here you will solve the capacitors. I chose the last one. This will be easy, direct electronic verification. After that, you click on confirm and the server ads will open for me in this way. Guys, all that is required of you is that you will click on this ad and you will receive 2 points, wishing for Satoshi. This is something that will open for me. The ad page will be very excellent. I go back to the site and it says, wait a second, you have another second to publish, wait for it. You will wait for the number again. These are 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. You will find that you have won 2 and 8 Satoshis as you see here. Okay, after that you will click on open. It will take you to the length of the advertisement that follows it. Open will open an advertisement page for you. Return to the site. You will find it counting the seconds counter with you. You will wait for this second counter to finish. You will find yourself earning 2 Tamana Satoshi points. Wait together like this, guys. It is 2 Tamana Satoshi points and so on for the rest of the ad. Also, you will earn 2 Tamana Satoshi points. You don't need anything. I had 99 here and I have 104 left. I mean, I worked for you for 2 hours, 3 hours, 4 hours. On the site, you can make a good amount of money for yourself. If my friend tells me that it is a small amount, I will say that if you knew how to earn a lot, you would not follow me and watch the videos because a big gain requires skills. A big gain requires time and needs experience. I am currently offering you an easy gain, a quick gain, a gain that you will get from. An amount that if you work on it, you will get a small amount of it, but with time, it will remain a large amount until you have skills so that you can work on the things that need skills and that have a lot of money. What are the strategies that we offer? We have finished the server ads regarding Satoshi. After that, you will have the server ads regarding the currency. The ruble, you have finished, these are finished. Of course, they are very many. They did not write how much, but they are very, very, very many. Also the same story. Step on confirmation and it will transfer you to the server ads, but your winnings will be in rubles. I have here 17 or 0.17. I am supposed to wait here for how many seconds? It will add me a 0.05. I mean, here it is supposed to be 22, meaning 0.22. After a few seconds, I earned it. I will do a direct reload. I still have 0.23. Of course, this is the advertising credit if I want to make an advertisement on the site, and this is what I do not want to do the same. The story will be here for 3 seconds. He is telling you to wait 3 seconds or 4/10 of a second. Sorry, I will wait for the camera again. I will also earn 0.05 from the ruble currency. Thank you very much. I took the amount I have in this place and it will be added to what I have here. Okay, after that, I have something called video ads, of course. He tells me this is a video. I will step on it like this. Wait 30 seconds. Of course, the video will be in rubles. I open the video like this and watch the video for 30 seconds. It is counting the seconds above this. You do not see this. Of course, it may not be visible to you because I am the tape above this. I remain hidden, but it is currently taking 30 seconds. Of course, I must or I do not have to open the page. It is currently counting. This is over. I have to wait here for 30 seconds of the video and come back. Why does the site give me my money in rubles? That's it. 7 seconds. Very excellent. I took 0.04 from Satoshi Kon's currency. I have 28 here. If I reload like this, I have 3 or 3. Now I say, you have seen all the available videos. Come back again when there are no videos available. After that, I have active window serving. What is active window serving? This is advertisements like the one above, but you are sitting on the inside of the page and you cannot exit the page. But currently, it is not available because it ends quickly because the profit from it remains large. So you will always find people focusing on it. So always try. The first time you go to this site, go to active window serving. After that, I have something called auto-serving. This auto-serving is that advertisements open automatically in front of you, but currently they are not available. What I earned today from auto-serving is 1.40. It is also not available much, so for the sake of clicking on it a lot, we will come to short links. Shorten links 1, 2, 3, 4. You are trying to find a site by shortening links that will open in front of you. This is a link shortening site, and all you have to do is click on continue. Of course, you will find many advertisements that appear in front of you. You will find out about the reboot area, the caps will be shaved, and you will wait for the camera again. This jet link will bring you back again. He found the site and you earned 0.5 rubles. Also, the same story regarding all these links, of course they tell you. These links are renewed every 24 hours. There is something called what does referral market mean? This means that you are afraid to buy referrals. If you do not know how to get referrals, or you do not get referrals, or you want to increase your profit, you should go to this market and buy referrals and find their price here. And he tells you that the profit of these referrals is such and such per day. This means that, for example, one person earned approximately 5 rubles per day and 303 satoshis, and this is a profit in total, the profit of which is a quarterly profit of 80-60 rubles. This does not prove, people, that the site pays and pays good profits. Strong, but you subscribe, meaning this is a quarterly gain of 88 satoshis, and here is a gain of 5 or 5 rubles. I have something called the Reefler system. This shows your referral link and the number of people who have registered through you in the referral link, and they appear with you here. You have something here called the ability to sell referrals. What does selling referrals mean? He tells you that you will not be able to sell this referral unless it arrives or when you have registered on the site for 10 days, and from here you can register a process to sell the referral, as happened in the market, which is the referral market or the referral market. Here you buy, but here you will sell and people buy from you, and after that your refiler is added here and you can withdraw. Okay, how do you withdraw profits? How do Hindus like this on Withdraw? Here you have more than one withdrawal method: FaustPay, Bitcoin, Payeer, and the WBTC currency. It is also possible here to withdraw the ruble currency directly. Of course, it is best to withdraw on FaustPay. Guys, the FaustPay wallet, which we will explain in the video below, how do you register in it, and also how do you earn from it, because it has the potential for profit? I mean, two things. Some you earn from it and it remains the withdrawal place or your withdrawal wallet. How do you withdraw your profits from the Faust? I have said this more than once in the comments. There are a group of sites for transferring money to transfer between wallets. For example, you will transfer from Bitcoin to Vodafone Cash. There are special sites for this. I don't know what I can explain to you because there are very, very many of them and I don't know them. I don't know who is good or who is monster or who is slow or who is fast, but there are sites like this, so you can see the guaranteed sites where a lot of people use them. Ask once, twice, or 3 times to make sure that this site is excellent and that this site is easy. However, you still create an account on Binance and withdraw your profits in FaustPay on Binance, and after that you work or sell them from Binance Vodafone Cash B2B. The matter remains guaranteed, there is no problem. Then this is the wallet you have. You will withdraw from it. You will, for example, step on the drawer that you call me and tell you that in order to withdraw to my note, of course, it will bring me an error. You must have 500 satoshis. The minimum is 5 satoshis, and I have 106, and I have not yet reached 5 satoshis. The maximum you can withdraw at one time is 30,000 satoshis. I mean, as I told you that. He said to me half an hour ago, I had collected 106 satoshis. This means that you can withdraw once, 2 or 3 times a day from your balance. This was all about the website. Is there anything else I can say to you? Of course, this is the help. If you would like to talk to support, you will find us, contact, you will take this email and it will remain. Why will you contact them if you have any questions regarding the site? I have explained to you everything related to the site today, from what to add and all the details, everything. The site, as I told you, does not need any claims from you. It does not need any statuses from you. The site will be afraid. You will watch. You will see ads being withdrawn without any final conditions. And God willing, he will tell us another meeting with the proof of withdrawal that I explained before there was proof of withdrawal for the site. I saw experiences and many people worked on the site and many people withdrew from it. That is why I explained on the site and did not offer the withdrawal. Theirs, because I love when I offer a raffle, the raffle is mine. And God willing, this will happen when we work on the site. God willing, more and more. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate the bell button on everyone, and like the video. I will see you, God willing, in a new episode. Thank you, and may God's peace, mercy, and blessings be upon you.